What's up guys, and welcome to a brand new video. This is Petty ECOM here. So right now you are seeing in a new setting that you haven't seen me in before. Don't worry, I am at my office. I have left since my last video, but right now it is Saturday night. I think it's a bit over 10 p.m. I'm not really supposed to be here because I don't really have any work to do today because, well, of course I can do some work, but today's family day. But anyways, I just went in here to the office because I wanted to make this specific video for you guys. Now, I will say already, this video is going to be very short, but it's going to be very short and to the point. Like, what I'm going to say is it's going to take no time at all, but it's going to help you so much throughout your entrepreneur life. But before I start, I know my channel is very small at the moment. We are growing actually. We're at 38 subscribers, but I'm just going to keep growing, and that's also why I want to post every single day, kind of, because then I can get the algorithm going. But now that I have so few followers, subscribers, I can be a bit more personal. So I want to have a shout out to you, Ryan. I know you're probably watching this video. We have DM'd a lot throughout the last 6 months, and I just want to say thank you very much for the support. It means a lot to me, and I know you've just about to start your e-commerce journey, and I'm super excited for you and your entire family. And I know we're gonna talk a lot more in the future, and hopefully in person. But other than that, I want to grab my camera right here, and beautiful weather outside, by the way. Let's get straight into the video. It's very short, and again, I've said this in other videos. I'm gonna base my videos on what you guys ask me of questions, right? So I kind of feel the demand that the public has, and the question I've got like a whole lot is not a specific question, but it's just like how, like it's information overload, and you just don't know what to do to actually be successful. You're asking, what niche should I start in? What category? What product is a trending product? Can I do I'm gonna do a one product store, I'm gonna do a niche store, I'm gonna do a general store, and everything. And all I wanna say is that I can go in specific what I wanna do. I'm more of a niche guy, and I think that's the way to go. But a one product store, that's where I have the most success as well. And also general stores, I've done everything. I have success in all those three, if you're taking that as a standing point right now. But what I wanna say is that no matter what you do, everything can work. The one thing that's required of you to do in order to have success on a one product store, on a general store, on a niche store, whatever you're gonna do, and also just in general. But right now we're talking dropshipping. All you have to do every single day, do an active thing for progress and for sales, if that makes sense. Because if you don't do this, you can find yourself spending hours and days doing product research, and you're getting nowhere. I've done it so many times myself until I really did this. So now it sounds very simple, but what do I mean? Okay, so what I mean is that every single day you want to challenge yourself to do at least one active thing toward making money. What can that be? That can be to, if you're in the beginning, to finish your product research. Or let's say your product research is going to take a couple days to write down 3 to 5 actual products that you think you can make a lot of money on, or you want to test, and then write down why you do that. Make it an effort to do one active thing to actually make money. So first thing, you have to find a product. Once you've done that, what it's all about at that point is, this camera is heavy, sorry. After the product research, what you'll have to do, and once you have a product up and running, what you're going to do is, today, well, I'm going to create 5 new ad sets and start it, right? Today I'm going to test a brand new ad copy. Today I'm gonna change my product page. You know what I'm saying? So you're actually doing something active to make money. Now that's more in kind of like the beginning. But once you get going, I mean by that, and what it has to turn into, is do something active in form of spending money to earn money. So every single day you have to test a new ad creative, and you can make an active thing on that, right? Or the next day, today I want to test a brand new product. So you know you're doing steps and things that will actually take you further. Like testing a new product tomorrow will actually take me somewhere than just looking at products and not being very sure what to do, and then doing that for 5 days in a row. Now, of course, let's say you don't have a product. I'll say, well, tomorrow I want to have 3 to 5 products I'm going to take out, and then and then the next day after that, I will find the product. Day after that, I want that product to be 100% done on the product page and the ad copy. Day after that, I want to start my first campaign. You know, so actually do something actively to make money every single day. So it turns out to be a big step. So I don't want to rant anymore. I hope this makes sense in some way, in shape, and form. What I'm just saying is that every single day you have to take an active step to make the money. Because then, if you don't do that, you're gonna procrastinate and you're gonna do the same thing over and over and over again. And suddenly, a couple of months have gone by, and all you've done is really test a couple of products, or just set up your store and looking for whatever, you know. But if you do something active every single day, start a new campaign, start a new ad creative, test a new product, get done with the product page, like be specific and actually do the actions required to make money. I can see somebody is outside. I think it's gonna come in, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully I'm gonna be out with the video tomorrow. If not, it's gonna be Monday. I think the next video is gonna be a tour of my office. That's a bit longer video, a bit more exciting video, so definitely stay tuned for that. So subscribe, like, and share with your friends, and go to my Instagram page. Get to me, man. I want to connect with you. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great weekend. Bye.